Welcome to a comprehensive exploration of the Bugatti ultra-luxury coach, a vehicle that transcends conventional automotive design, combining elite engineering with opulent architecture to deliver a mobile masterpiece unlike any other. This isn't just transportation, it's a palace on wheels, sculpted with precision and vision. The exterior design pushes the boundaries of futurism, with sweeping aerodynamic curves and a commanding six-axle presence. Crafted with an obsidian and pearl dual-tone finish, the bodywork showcases Bugatti's unmistakable DNA through fluid symmetry and carbon fiber detailing. The illuminated Bugatti emblem rests proudly on the contoured front nose, flanked by LED blade headlamps that cut through darkness with laser accuracy. Gold-lined steps and gloss black wheel inlays add a majestic feel to every detail, while 360-degree reflective paneling projects the coach's luxury status at every angle. The side profile reveals a flowing silhouette with sculpted metallic intakes, inset lighting, and flush-mounted, motorized entry staircases. The elevated architecture, adorned in polished chrome and mirror black, flows into an arched panoramic glass roofline that spans the length of the cabin, giving a spaceship-like presence on any road. Distinctive 12-wheel architecture ensures a balanced, commanding stance whether parked in a private hangar or gliding along the Riviera. At the rear, a bold linear light bar spans the width, integrated with dynamic brake indicators and flush-mounted exhaust outlets hidden within the lower aerodynamic diffuser. Discrete air intakes and an underlit logo reinforce the futuristic appeal. The electronically actuated rear cargo access conceals a luxury suite storage area, transforming into a bespoke tailgate lounge when stationary. Step inside, and you're transported into a world of hyper-luxury design. The lounge-inspired interior is wrapped in quilted leather walls, ambient crystal lighting, and a ceiling that mimics the night sky, rendered with precision LED constellations embedded within smoked glass panels. A floating king-sized bed anchors the central suite, framed by dual leather sofas, retractable privacy panels, and a voice-activated control system for lighting, climate, and entertainment. The bathroom suite rivals luxury hotels, finished in white marble with gold-veined inlays, carbon fiber paneling, rainfall glass shower, and a smart vanity with anti-fog mirror displays and gold-plated hardware. Every square inch speaks of craftsmanship, from hand-stitched leather trim to the gold-burnished faucet heads. Beyond opulence lies performance and innovation. Powered by a state-of-the-art hybrid electric powertrain, the Bugatti coach delivers a combined output of over 1,000 horsepower, operating in silent electric mode for urban grace and activating a V8 twin-turbo when open road power is needed. The adaptive air suspension and autonomous driving capabilities ensure the smoothest, safest, and most serene journey possible.